it's not working once again. Hey guys, Shukesh here. Today in this video I want to share with you my honest opinion about the Redmi Earbuds S, which is from a brand Xiaomi, known for making awesome products at really great prices. I mean, this true wireless earphone is just 1800 rupees, and which sounds like a great deal. Thanks to Amazon, the box is completely smashed, but the product is working just fine. I bought it myself from Amazon, and it's not a paid review, not a sponsored content. So first of all, there you have the earbuds. Very small, lightweight, just 4.1 gram in weight, and the buttons are really big and very easy to access, and the ergonomics, the build quality is not bad at all, though it's totally plastic, but I really don't mind. The good thing is it's splash and sweat proof, so if you are getting this for workout sessions, and if you want to use it in light rain, in water parks and other scenarios, then you won't face any issues probably. The ear tips that come fitted fits perfectly, and you get 4 more. Now let's talk about this charging station, which is fairly lightweight, small, and fits perfectly in your pocket, but the build quality is not good. I mean, the lid is the worst. It basically moves sideways and you can break it when you drop this charging case, so beware. And the lid is magnetic, and when the earbuds are inside, when you close it, you basically put the earbuds to sleep or in standby mode, and you can get up to 150 hours of standby battery supply. Now there is one feature I really like on this earbuds S, which is even when the music is playing, if you simply take the earbuds from your ear and put it back into the charging station, the music will be paused on your smartphone, and when you open the case and take the earbuds, put them back into your ear, the music will be played again on your phone. Now I have a big complaint here. I got a defective product, I will say. When I'm charging the right one, it's perfectly working. The LED is red, but when I am attaching the left one, it gets disconnected. As you can see, it's now charging, but if I just slightly move it, there you go, it's now white. That is, it's not charging and looking for my smartphone to be paired. So I have to again just adjust it for charging. So that is a defective product, and I will definitely send it back to Amazon for a replacement. Now before I talk about the sound quality and everything else, let's talk about the battery backup. Officially you will be getting 4 hours of backup from the earbuds, and when you attach them to the charger, you will actually charge the earbuds in like 1.5 hours, and the charging station itself takes about 2 hours to fully charge. You have a 300 milliamp hour battery inside the charging station, and 43 milliamp hour batteries inside each of these earbuds. So you can charge the earbuds from 0 to 100% at least 3 times using the charging station. And officially the earbuds are rated for 4 hours of continuous music playback. So with full charged case and full charged earbuds, you can get about 16 hours of music playback. That is awesome. One good thing about Xiaomi Earbud S is it comes with a Bluetooth 5.0, so you get about 10-meter range, and the connectivity is great if you have a compatible smartphone. As you know, Bluetooth 5.0 allows you to connect multiple Bluetooth devices, so while you are actually using the earbuds, you can connect your Bluetooth speaker or other Bluetooth earphones simultaneously and share music with your friends. So that's great. Open the lid and remove any of these. It will automatically look for your smartphone, and it will pair. You can use only one for mono sound, and you can use both for stereo effect. Now my biggest complaint against this Xiaomi Earbuds S is that there is no way you can skip to the next or the previous song. I mean, they could have given us the option with a double tap or a triple tap action. I mean, they do have the triple tap action for the gaming mode for low latency, which is maximum 120 2 ms, and I tried some gaming. The latency is almost very low, so that is good thing, but I really wanted to skip. Now let's talk about some gestures of the buttons. First of all, you can single tap to answer a call and press and hold for 1 second to reject the calls. If you get a second call, you can answer that call by pressing the button, and you can switch in between the calls with a double press. You can definitely mute and unmute your calls by actually double pressing the buttons, and while you are already on a call using the earbuds, you can switch to your smartphone with pressing and holding for 1 second. Now with a double tap on the buttons, you get Google Assistant on Android and Siri on iOS, and the good thing is you can actually use your Google Assistant to skip to the next song or increasing or decreasing the volumes, and you can ask for making a call and also other things. So that is a lifesaver, but still they could have given us an option on the button to actually skip the song. So that is the biggest flaw, I think, but that is definitely not a deal breaker. And lastly, another complaint is there is micro USB charging port. I frankly don't have a single charger right now which is actually micro USB compatible, and they don't provide any. So there is too much complaints I have, but let's come to the good stuff, which is the sound quality. The vocals are just awesome for calls. The sound clarity is one of the best I have ever experienced. There is no noise. The noise cancelling is awesome. The microphone is just here, and you will be wearing the earphones upside down, so the position of the microphone is the best, I think. Now when it comes to music, well, it's not the best, of course, considering the price point. The bass is like mediocre. It's obviously good enough, most of the people will be happy, but I am a music lover. I use Apple AirPods and other premium earphones and headphones from AKG and all, so definitely it's not there, but considering the price point, it's not bad at all. So definitely go for these earphones for the sound quality. Once again, the vocals are great in calls, in music. You may not find the music to be that much punchy, but it's good enough, and you won't basically complain. The microphone picks up my voice quite clearly, so no issue at all. It's also marked R and L for your convenience. Now we have come to the end of this video, and do I recommend this product? Of course, for 1800 rupees. It's a great product from Xiaomi. Nowadays phones are coming without any earphone jack, so you will need it, so get one. That's all in this review, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope that it was useful. If you have any questions, if you have problems pairing the device, then you can definitely comment below, and I will help you my best. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this full video. It's not working once again.